At this screen here, again, I'm using Windows 11 Professional. I'm going to say yes to select United States as my region. Keyboard is United States. I'm not going to add a second keyboard. In this method, I'm connected to the internet, so I have internet connectivity. It does take a lot longer to install Windows 11 because it's going to check for updates. It's going to download software, etc. So just be prepared that this is going to take a while. Getting things ready for you, according to Microsoft. As you can see here, it even has to reboot. Updates are underway. I find Windows horrendous because of all these updates and steps that you have to go to get started, but it is what it is. So as you can see here, rebooting back into Windows, and we already have a problem. Okay, so after a while we ask for our device name. I'll just call this David PC and click next. Computer reboots again. Okay, so now we have this option. How would you like to set up this device? For personal use or for work or school? I'm going to say work or school and click next. So now we're prompted to create an online account. I'm not going to do this. I'm going to click on sign in options. And now the important part is domain join instead. So rather than using an online account, we're going to join a domain. And now I can specify my username. I'm not going to set a password. Click next. And hopefully we can now set up our local user account, which we can. So I'll uncheck all of these privacy options to stop the telemetry. Click accept. Well, stop the telemetry, maybe. Okay, so now it's going to check for Microsoft updates. This is going to take a while. So I'm going to speed this up because it's going to download a whole bunch of updates and then you'll be able to use your computer. So let's speed this up. Okay, so there you go. Took a long time, but I now have a user account on Windows 11 Professional, and you can see it's a local account. If I type WinVer, you can see here that it's version 25H2, 26200. You can see that this is Windows 11 Pro, so professional operating system. My name is David, don't have an org name. If I go to system, can see again that it's a local administrator account on Windows 11 Professional. Okay, this does take a long time with all the updates and downloads, etc., but it is possible to use a Windows 11 Professional version to create a local user account by telling it that you want to join a domain, but you simply don't join the domain. You just create a local account.